how we can make new clients and all by sending emails. We need to have three things: the report, the Excel sheet which you can see, second is LinkedIn, third is email ID from which we will send the emails to the vendors. So we are going to target here the clients or vendors which are working with the direct clients or end clients. So the first process is Excel sheet. You can see where we'll be updating name, email ID, a contact number, and the position they have posted, and their response on later on stages if it is there. So this is something like we need to update here. The message what we need to send to the vendors is something this one: I hope you are doing well. As per your job posting, we have several candidates on payroll and on our payroll, and we can support through recruitment team too. We are open to work on your daily requirements. Kindly suggest if we so we can move forward. Regards, and whatever name you want to use, like as if you are doing yourself, so you will write down your name. If we are using like I'm using for myself, so I'll be writing that. How we will search? We'll go just on the LinkedIn. In search part, in inverted comma, we will write down direct client and C2C. This would be the keyword. After that, we'll click on post. We'll click by latest. We'll click on past week, and here we can see like few posts are there, but we need to have the requirements that like where clients are looking something. So it is mixed, like you can see like everything is coming up. So how we can filter? We need to write down specific any skill set, like let's say start with .NET developer. So it would fetch all the .NET developer positions, and the vendor things like where they have mentioned it is direct client based plus cop to cop plus .NET developer. Okay, we don't need to understand a lot about what is cop to cop and all right now, because like we are just trying to get some attention from the vendor clients. And again I can see like few unrelated things are coming up. This is something which is hot list, we say in our industry. So how to remove these kind of posts? We'll write down here minus hot list. I'll give this formula too, and then we'll get few more relatable positions now. So you can see this is a position Java developer backend full stack, Irving, Texas, and all. They are working on W2, no cop to cop and all they have written. But like yeah, our target is there to get the clients. So it is not something we'll target only .NET developer here. It is just to get the positions of different people where they have mentioned about the direct client. So this vendor is working interviews through direct client, direct marketing and all something. Okay, so here what we need to do, we need to find out the email ID of this person. We'll take this email ID, and first we'll go on our sheet. He did not mention any number or something in this, so we'll skip that. And here he has mentioned the position for .NET developer too, if you can see. Okay, so we'll write down the position. Contact number part would be blank, name is Azim, date is of like date we are updating today, so obviously today's date. And we'll copy this position, this post completely till here. We'll go on our email ID, we'll open up, and we'll paste here, and on top we will write that message which I was showing, this one. This is Rehan, so I have written down Rehan. Hope you're doing well as discussed. Little bit better view of this, and we'll put down everything like this. Okay, as per your LinkedIn job post, subject would be like this. Okay, and his email ID would come here, and we need to mark CC on the email ID of the person, like let's say like or our official email ID, because this is our Gmail ID. So we need to mark the official ID here, whatever it would be. Let's say something like this. Okay, so this is the something like we need to send, and then we'll send. I'm repeating the same process again. We will come to LinkedIn, we'll enter the like this kind of string there. I'm writing down this string here, so it would be helpful. And there would be many would be coming by one string only. So by this you can find out n number of the positions. We are hiring .NET developer full time USA, this and that. So we can email to this person to same, like same. You will go down. This is not something a position. You can see if you are working with direct clients partners requirements, LinkedIn for all consultant submission. So this is not the job. We need to find out the jobs actually. So hope you can understand which is the job and which is not. I do have extraordinary specialized candidates. So it is not the job. They have the candidates.
So there's an issue. I couldn't see the LinkedIn account.
Now it is visible.
Yeah, now I can.
So
Yeah, sir.
actively looking to collaborate. Like here you can see in this post, it is written, I do have a extraordinary specialized candidates on bench. So means it is not a requirement. We need to have the requirements. We will search it like more down if we will go. So we are hiring .NET developers. We will email to this person. Okay. Next, this is the job role, location, employment, everything he has given. So we'll copy whole like email, and we will email them if they have mentioned email ID. I think this person did not mention the email, so we'll skip this one. We'll move to the next one. This is something we do have the email ID as well, correct? So we need to email this person. The process is very much clear, like which I told. So we need to find out only the jobs here, and this is not for position, not only W2 and all. So but this is the job, so we'll send this person to, his number is there too. So more strings can be used, like let's say .NET developer, Java developer. I'll mention those lists as well, so you will get the help in that. So let me know, like did you get any clarity? Like this position is there, direct client position it is, and he has mentioned a number and email both. So did you get little bit clarity about the process or not, or you have any questions?
Yeah, sir, got it.
Okay, so